In this video, I will be giving you some tips on how to grow your LinkedIn profile. The first question is, why do you want to grow your network? So whenever you want to grow a network, you should always ask that question. And to grow your network, you need a goal. The second question is, why do you need to think about your LinkedIn profile? Is it because your LinkedIn profile is like your website? So that when people will visit your LinkedIn profile, they must feel the connection. So when putting your profile, it should be something that could trigger their curiosity for them to be willing to look at your profile. In here, you can always add a banner. It can be anything that shows social proof or anything that translates what you're passionate about. The next one is your About section. Your About section should answer your why and answer the question to the people visiting your profile. Example, what's in it for them to reach out and connect with you? The next question is, how do you attract people? We have several ways. The first one is outreach. Outreach is about reaching out to existing people who you feel super interesting, telling them why you find them interesting and what you can bring to them. Or you can send a message hoping that they will meet with you or connect with you directly on LinkedIn. The other one is posting. Posting is about creating content around the topic that you master or you're passionate about. The goal here is to build more trust. And lastly is engaging. You can engage on people's posts, but you can also engage with people comments. It's about finding the right people to connect with. For example, you need to search for business management. And as you can see here, you can split by people's posts, etc. So you can have all the informations that you need to connect and reach out to the right person. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.